To check out a hot water heater to see if it's running properly, go to the touchscreen panel, push the service button, and then this screen will appear. Then if you'll push the alarm here to see if codes pop up. These are the codes that we're looking for, the A007, to see if there's a concern about your hot water heater, so we can notify Rheem. You can go ahead and clear the history, and this is what you get. And then we can check it again to make sure that we're not having this reoccur constantly. But we're looking for the A0007 code. You might see some codes that were originally put on the hot water heater from the plant, but what we're looking for is a A007. I clear the history, and then in a couple of days recheck it again just by going to service, alarms, and see if you've got any alarm codes on it to make sure that the hot water heater is running properly. Thanks.